Sennheiser says its new sport earbuds can reduce noise from your own body. Perfect. Hate my body.
What does that mean?
So noisy all the time. You know, like when you're hungry and you start gurgling.
People have this problem?
Well, I mean, no, you can hear your pulse sometimes if you have noise cancellation on.
Oh, okay.
If it's like really, that uncomfortable feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom, boom.
Right. Especially if you're working out.
Mm-hmm.
You've experienced it, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, no, actually, I haven't.
Have you ever worked out before?
Yes, I have, but I have never had this problem.
How high did you get your heart rate?
I don't know. I was sweating. I was sweating and I was out of breath. I don't do the whole heart rate checking like you guys do.
Curious.
I'm just like, oh, I'm sore and tired. I did a good job yesterday.
Yeah. You don't track it. That's okay.
Yeah.
Curious.
No judgment.
Curious.
It's going to be bad. I know that you're going to want to check it now. It's not going to be a good...
It's not going to be a good heart rate.
No.
I'm like, you see this? No good. Like a personal trainer?
Yeah.
That totally doesn't even deserve to be a personal trainer? I'm cracking the whip, but I never work out ever? Shout out J Mike.
That's always bizarre too, right?
What's that?
You're at a gym and the personal trainer that's pushing you like to sign up on his program or whatever.
He's not ripped himself?
Well,
Eating
you're in better
nachos.
shape than he is.
Yeah.
And you're just like,
Well, you got to respect the hustle, though.
well, I'm sure he has the knowledge, but like,
Well, no, just the fact that he's able to maintain his business looking that way.
yeah, that's
He's got to
true.
do. He must be doing something well.
Yeah.
The only place where this does not necessarily happen. There was a big controversy about a football coach who was really, on the heavier side,
Right.
and people said somebody called him out.
Okay.
A player, I think it was a former player, said, "Yeah, you can't listen to this guy. He can't even keep himself in shape."
Right.
And then people fired back, and they're like, "I don't know about that. You might be able to be a good coach
Right.
and not be in tremendous shape.
Yeah.
You might be able
You're
to."
right.
Yeah, it's possible
Mm-hmm.
because your approach or something is that much better. It wouldn't hurt to be in shape, probably. Wouldn't hurt you.
Definitely makes it easier.
So is this a fitness target on this one, Will? $130. It'll ship next month. I mean, I never thought this was something that we needed. Sennheiser's revealed a set of true wireless earbuds geared toward fitness enthusiasts. It says the Sport True wireless buds include an Aware EQ pass-through setting that can reduce distracting noises from your own body, such as your heartbeat or footsteps, while helping you stay aware of your surroundings. I think some people really don't like that heartbeat sound.
I've had the footsteps.
It can be anxiety inducing, like especially as it starts going faster and if you have
Makes
noise
sense.
cancellation. There's an intriguing system called Adaptable Acoustic that allows you to choose between open and closed ear adapters and tweak equalizer settings to find your ideal sound for workouts. The Focus EQ setting combined with the closed ear adapters designed to block out external noise. You'll be able to adjust how much external noise you hear and create custom EQ presets in the Sennheiser Smart Control app. There are 3 sizes of ear adapters and 4 fins to help with the ideal fit. Well, fit's a big one with this. You get a good fit. You get a good sound typically with an in-ear. They look to be IP54 rated, so I get a little bit of sweat on there. No big. 18 hours of listening time. It's interesting. It's an interesting one. I don't know how important that's going to be to users,
$130.
to listeners, but Willie Doo might go for a jog. You never know.
I'm jogging right now.
Outdoors or on a treadmill?
Outdoors.
Nice.
Go ahead. How's that going?
Oh, you're looking at me. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was it hard to get back into it, to
Very hard.
pump yourself up?
Yeah, it was tough.
What time does this take place?
Morning,
How early?
Wow. Love it.
Tell the truth. How early?
around 8.
That's pretty good.
Sometimes
Oh, that's
9.
amazing.
That's pretty good.
Mhm.
Oh, I got to start doing that. That sets the tone for the day. Eh?
It does, yeah.
Does that
Yeah.
set the tone for you? Does that motivate you, the fact that he's out doing it?
Yeah.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
I can't have Will be in better shape than me.
What's your routine? What's your routine prior to that? Is there any stretching going on?
I do stretch,
Bit of
but very minimal.
It's a minimal stretch.
Yeah.
Are you tracking the heart rate or no?
I will be.
Hmm.
I need to charge up that Fitbit.
Charge it up. Yeah.
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 What about the Aura?
I haven't used the Aura in a while.
Same.
I think because Fitbit tracks distance.
Right.
Aura
Okay.
doesn't.
You want
Do you have like a distant like goal? Is your goal speed or is it like length? Or is it just to just go out?
My
and
goal is
move more?
5K every day.
Okay. So it's distance.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay.
But I haven't hit that.
Well, no, not right off the bat.
Yeah.
so it's
tough.
8 so it's 8 a.m. And
Yeah.
you're and you're out there
Uh-huh.
and you hit the street. It's a brisk morning.
Oh, yeah.
Like lately.
With Otis as well.
Kind of optimal though. I kind of like that. The temperature it
Yes.
is
Yeah.
right now.
Oh
Uh-huh.
my god, it's
Kind
great.
of good for this. Do you have any specialized outfit going on?
No.
Just we were looking at it?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It's a hoodie?
Well, just a shirt.
A t-shirt?
Not this hoodie, but with the jogging pants I have right now.
A t-shirt or
Yeah.
no sleeves in this weather?
Well, a t-shirt. Yeah.
It was nice this morning.
sleeves.
Oh, sleeves.
It's not like a
Talking about a long sleeve or a short?
It's regular size.
Short sleeve
Sure. Yeah.
above the elbow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a good time.
Well, people
Running, you know.
listen. People need to know if they want to try it themselves. They need to know what they should, how they should look out there doing
Yeah,
it.
you
'Cause
don't really need a lot.
It's a
for
big
running.
range to it, Will, and it can be very intimidating.
If anything, get running shoes. Good ones.
Shout out Pixelmite. I see some people. It's like a full spandex.
I know, yeah, I
they're
can't
ready
do
for a
that.
marathon, and then you see some other people. They're in like the business attire, and you think they're running from a criminal or something.
I think I need to help that guy.
They have a briefcase.
Jesse wants to know what kind of shoes you're wearing. What kind of shoe you like to run in?
So this is really bad.
Oh,
But I run with Ultra Boost,
oh,
which is not. You're not supposed to run with Ultra Boost.
That's not comfortable.
well, no, I mean,
I think it's too comfortable.
well, it's got a little bounce to it. It's not as bad as you're making it sound. The thing about Ultra Boost, it doesn't have a lot of lateral support. So, like
Yes.
any kind of
It's so
sport,
easy to roll your
yeah,
ankle.
any kind of sport where you could potentially go side to side, but typically, like you're not on trails or anything. You're just going down the sidewalk in
Yeah.
a straight line. It should be okay. But he's using some Ultra Boost, but